Top drinks to repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. Are you looking for a natural and refreshing way to repair your nerves and prevent nerve damage? Look no further. In this video, we will be exploring the top drinks that can help nourish and protect your nervous system. Whether you're dealing with an excessive stress, have experienced nerve damage, or simply want to maintain the health of your nerves, these drinks will provide the essential nutrients and antioxidants needed for optimal nerve function. So sit back, relax, and let's uncover the power of these incredible beverages to promote nerve health. What is nerve damage? Nerve damage occurs due to injury or dysfunction in the nerves, leading to various symptoms based on the location and severity. Common causes include trauma, infections, autoimmune diseases, and certain medications. Seeking proper treatment is essential for those experiencing nerve damage, which may involve medication, physical therapy, and lifestyle changes. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle can help prevent nerve damage and promote repair. Discovering drinks that repair nerves and prevent damage can be a proactive step towards maintaining nerve health. Causes of nerve damage. There are various causes of nerve damage to be aware of. Physical injuries like fractures or dislocations can put pressure on nerves and result in damage. Taking precautions and seeking proper treatment is important. Infections such as shingles or Lyme disease can also lead to nerve damage. Timely medical attention and following prescribed treatment is crucial. Certain medical conditions like diabetes, multiple sclerosis, or Guillain-Barré syndrome can increase the risk of nerve damage. Managing these conditions effectively can minimize damage. Exposure to toxins like heavy metals or chemotherapy drugs can also cause nerve damage. Why is nerve repair important? Nerve repair is crucial for restoring normal nerve function, allowing individuals to regain sensation and movement in affected areas. It also prevents complications such as muscle wasting or atrophy, maintains muscle strength, and reduces pain levels associated with damaged nerves. Nerve repair is essential for improving overall comfort and well-being, addressing chronic pain, and promoting optimal recovery after traumatic injuries or surgical procedures involving the nervous system. Effects of untreated nerve damage. Untreated nerve damage can have long-lasting and detrimental effects on a person's overall well-being. Chronic pain, accompanying untreated nerve damage, severely impacts daily life and activities, making even simple tasks difficult and diminishing quality of life. Without intervention, nerve damage may progress, leading to loss of muscle control and coordination, restricting mobility and independence. Sensory disturbances like numbness or hypersensitivity are also common, causing discomfort and hindering normal functioning. Long-term untreated nerve damage may result in permanent disability or impairment that cannot be reversed, even with subsequent treatment. Promptly addressing nerve damage and seeking appropriate medical care is essential to prevent these potential complications and increase the chances of successful nerve repair and recovery. Top drinks for nerve repair. Green tea. One of the top drinks for nerve repair and prevention of further damage is green tea. Regular consumption of green tea can provide numerous benefits for nerve health. It contains powerful antioxidants that can protect nerves from oxidative stress and improve nerve function. For individuals with diabetes, green tea can be particularly beneficial as it helps prevent nerve damage caused by the condition. Additionally, the antioxidants in green tea have anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce inflammation in the nervous system and provide relief from symptoms of neuropathy. In fact, studies have even shown that green tea extracts can stimulate the regeneration of damaged nerves, making it an excellent choice for promoting nerve repair. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is a simple and delicious way to support the health and repair of your nerves. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, has been used to treat nerve disorders for centuries. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has neuroprotective properties that may prevent or slow down nerve damage. Regular consumption of turmeric milk may provide relief from symptoms of peripheral neuropathy such as pain, tingling, and numbness. The combination of turmeric and milk creates a drink that is both soothing and beneficial for nerve health. Adding this warm and comforting beverage to your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support the repair and maintenance of your nerves. Vitamin B-rich smoothies. Incorporating vitamin B-rich smoothies into your diet can help repair damaged nerves and promote healthy nerve function. B vitamins are essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerves that enhances signal transmission. Smoothies with ingredients like spinach, bananas, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of B vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pyridoxine. These nutrients play a crucial role in nerve repair and maintenance. Adding berries to your smoothie provides antioxidants that protect nerves from oxidative stress, further supporting their health and function. So, starting your day with a delicious and nutrient-packed vitamin B-rich smoothie can be a great way to give your nerves the support they need. Ginger-infused water. Another fantastic beverage to include in your routine for nerve repair is ginger-infused water. This refreshing drink not only tastes great, but it also provides numerous benefits for your nerves. Drinking ginger-infused water regularly can improve blood circulation to the nerves, ensuring that they receive the nutrients they need to function optimally. Ginger itself contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate nerve pain and reduce inflammation. Additionally, ginger is known to boost digestion, promoting overall nerve health. Making ginger-infused water is easy. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for a few minutes, and you'll have a soothing and beneficial drink that supports the repair and maintenance of your nerves. Chamomile tea. Sipping on chamomile tea before bed can help you relax and get a better night's sleep, promoting nerve repair. This herbal tea has anti-anxiety properties that can calm the nervous system and reduce stress on the nerves. Regular consumption of chamomile tea may also provide relief from neuropathic symptoms. To prepare chamomile tea, steep dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes. The fragrant and soothing aroma of chamomile tea makes it the perfect beverage to wind down with at the end of a long day. So, make it a part of your nighttime routine to support the repair and maintenance of your nerves. Blueberry juice. Drinking blueberry juice regularly can have numerous benefits for your nerves and cognitive function. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the nervous system. This can help protect against age-related nerve damage and promote overall nerve health. Additionally, the neuroprotective properties of blueberries may enhance memory and learning abilities. To enjoy the benefits of blueberry juice, simply blend fresh or frozen blueberries with water and strain the mixture to remove any solids. Incorporating this delicious and nutritious beverage into your daily routine can support nerve repair and cognitive function. Lifestyle changes for nerve health. Maintaining a balanced diet. Having a well-rounded and nutrient-dense diet is crucial for nerve repair and maintenance. Include a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which support the protective myelin sheath around nerves. Avoid excessive consumption of processed sugars and unhealthy fats, as they can cause inflammation and nerve damage. For personalized recommendations, consult a registered dietitian or nutritionist. Regular exercise. Regular aerobic exercises like walking, jogging, or swimming improve blood circulation, benefiting nerve health. Strength training exercises build muscle mass around the nerves, providing added protection. Balance exercises like Tai Chi promote flexibility and stability, reducing the risk of falls or injuries. It's important to start slowly and increase intensity gradually under the guidance of a fitness professional to prevent injuries and support nerve repair and maintenance. Stress reduction techniques. To repair and prevent nerve damage, consider managing stress levels through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Engaging in enjoyable activities and prioritizing self-care, such as getting enough sleep and seeking support from a therapist, can also promote nerve healing and overall well-being. Taking care of your nerves and preventing nerve damage is crucial for overall well-being. Understanding the causes and effects of nerve damage allows us to prioritize nerve repair. Incorporating top drinks for nerve repair, such as green tea, turmeric milk, and vitamin B-rich smoothies, can provide essential nutrients for nerve health. Other nerve-boosting beverages like ginger-infused water and chamomile tea can offer extra support. Making lifestyle changes like maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress reduction techniques can greatly contribute to nerve repair and prevention of further damage. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine, we can ensure the health and longevity of our nerves.